Unveiling the future, exploring may and might in English. Hello, language explorers. Today we're venturing into a fantastic and sometimes tricky part of the English language: modal verbs for permission. Specifically, we're going to focus on may and might as they relate to future possibilities. Ready to get started? Let's dive right in. Before we get to the future, let's make sure we understand what may and might mean. These are modal verbs we often use to talk about possible actions or events, or to ask for or give permission. They're similar, but with some subtle differences. For example, may is often used to suggest a greater likelihood. If you say, "It may rain later," you're suggesting that rain is fairly likely. On the other hand, might suggests less certainty. "It might rain later" means there's a chance of rain, but it's not necessarily likely. In English, we can use may to talk about future possibilities. Let's say we're talking about a friend who's studying for a test. You might say, "She may pass the test." This suggests a strong possibility that she will pass. It's important to note that may is used for both permission and possibility. The context will help you understand which meaning is intended. Similarly, might can also express future possibilities, but with less certainty. If we take the previous example, saying, "She might pass the test," suggests that passing is possible, but you're not as sure as if you had used may. Might is generally considered the past tense of may, but in the context of future possibilities, it's just less certain. We can also use may and might to ask about future possibilities. For example, you could ask, "Might I come to your party next week?" Or, "May I join your study group tomorrow?" These are polite ways to ask for permission about future actions. And there you have it, folks. We've taken a close look at may and might as they relate to future possibilities. With practice, you'll find it easier to decide when to use may or might and feel more confident in expressing yourself in English. Keep up the great work, and remember, language learning is a journey, so enjoy every step of it. See you in our next video.